Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Yo Gambia immigration mbal tentlo mbal jayla. Aliyen kato men jeten badi ngolu Senegal musola tamu nyen kato ti ala Senegal ID kato lamu anen Gambia la registration kato men aso.
Wale mo musote al kamenje tonko moto jana santo. Atelem. Alngata.
Ngulbe jara soma ma fa ne bodato bodam be Senegal ni jara soma tema. Immigration wala yen kinang immigration wala yen kinang because ye nyimu so nyimu mutale biri ya muta ya nyininka e kay mu natune tay soto nyin do fana be bulu akko confess ta ko ate mu Senegal en ko bar jara soma sefo wala ketlo ma ko nyiru
wala ni ko yale abota jara nte dum mo jara ko te odiamo siata ngajangi fanonde dron
so rombe police wol temple be jeyda mba fana police wol ko ya baraka bake ninyi sifa shata nyin kuriya sifa bu Gambia jan alinga go ko mobile do ko la alingi janjandi fonko alingi janjandi formule be do 5 ta Senegal fort bawo Senegal fort ebe banko kana modu ebe la hidol di kan ko ile banko diolu ye dabundi Gambia la politiko ngetulo bala woto alingi franta aliya janjandi ay futa la ambassadeur lumbe be ma cew ala barakabat alal bari malam
okay alo aliama akoita mobe man ni muso Gambia nonte bara ay Gambia ID card sotole ay Gambia Senegal fana na ID card sotole mbokay ñu yatal li ci olof tutal mbalal suma mbokki Sénégalais ci li waji di wax ci sosé moy ne jigen bi Sénégalais la mom du Gambian waye ñaari dikay yépp dafa am sen ID card si French jaara la ko amé nak ñu ne alkali bi moko ko jox dika bu ñoo woyé jaara ci Gambie alkali bi moko ko jox so ki nakala mom mu ne dox ak ñaari ID card te mom muy Sénégalais lolu dafa woné ne biir Sénégal sax do gis Gambian bi di dox ak ñaari ID card because Senegal is for Senegalese, Gambia is for Gambians. Li mo de tax problème day am nit ñi di ñaaw xel ne Sénégalais ya nge jóge Sénégal di ñëw di vote ci biir Gambie di ñëw vote ci biir Gambie te loolu nag jaaduwul because ku ci nekk sa dëkk den am frontière emal sa dëkk vote sa dëkk kii tamit em dëkkam vote dëkkam Famara Sawane nse continue no nga ñine sambale nan nsa kono fanoni yes inimba
tomato mu nge tentu mane
baraka baki
ila nge miss bakala man famo katawo
be diamula ñato
be do ko kende bala man tomato
inimba baki
do ko e bolla don ikamo bela sojang no o safo dali no nimbaro bote tale no banko fam hospital
ko matal fo ngangal jata ibi kay la moy wala problem hoti
bare mbele lumina comme ça nga fo nyaa ala talla man so no ale je wala fisada mol nyaaje
thank you
adon ale tentu wala fisada mol ye tentu
I'm telling you
adon ala nyaabela abe jola fana tomato mu nyinketa ni ku ya balti nyinketa ki jafara balta adon nyi muntolle nyi mol kafiani na bar nyi muntolla Gambia la Allahu akbar nyi mutti ñaar balti ntol yaay no
wallahi
because say mol bajele ko ndolla kayto bo mbiya lon ne nyi silankan mina ra ombo embe nyi banko men kan jangboy mol man fi la kayto la ndolla kayto ko soto fi nimbe bolo la Sénégal nyaadi mol la rigis adu musunu e tilinne ada men say ni aji ben say Gambia non ndolla nyindar ni right fight la
thank you
alkalo me kayto di ala ta sud code because evidence of fele
yeah of course ni mo evidence ni kan nyintamita evidence wala
yeah so boren kaje koy non dol Gambia non fon lel be wulla boy be wala nan ko police solo billahi wallahi ngal dani police solo dol bele tamu bankote banko na da datan tollel mu na tinya tan tollel mu ake kete nyaaw nya man satina eno itamni man se memmina eno ina bita fawre fan la o man se no ni ta fata e dambara bita la kaburo ko nata fanan fata dambara bita la kaburo kono ni ba nyinin kala bata nyinin kala talla ni be nyinin kala tal tala adum biri be kalle kal qur'anon la ime kala talla iko e be banko la do ko ina ta wal ya ona san woto say nin atara nyin sifa siara nyile nyin kenya na siara wallahi san Gambia be lolal ni aje mon le carte be ko sunyang ajiben evidence fo so fele adum ni mu toñalde san jimal be nyin dina no le ba fala koy no nyil bu ko kayto di Sénégal fonko la janay no jimal bo fala because a fele adum askeno ñi ñon jaman lu ñi abolel bulu mel ya lon ko na be ma bori bulu
yes nga ñine taje folo de who know the
bola fokete
thank you
adum jaman la be koma
continue
abe man sakunda boy man sakunda e mol la banko boy mol bula boy sunyar boy ngo hadama dum ni la wato si boy banko demul lamuy no ite be bir jikri ko e do ko kay no sain tam tu woto ni la do ko wala ba si no le be winin la sa abula karto ta fiya kono boy ni wintelo ni ma wini boy bar kana mol le karto im fo mu fonko dal man tanga ni ñe crime ni le problème ko soto la do ibe gambia la to fala nata kayto men mutabo ni ma Senegal kayto ba ni gi Gambia kayto ba fala Gambia no la mu watra manga Gambia no ay mo la banko to tinya ya fa mo len tol mukki Gambia no criminal lol lel muti watra wonte adu niaje Gambia no li no ba fala Gambia to fa be ku yala ñi kayti sifal alkana kana mo fengede ñi kayti sifal be faare mo bulle mel ya lon ko frena lel muti bu gela kaytol yusi ka mo la kaytol yusi no ya fa ko ha Gambia no la problème o kede watra ay mo watra dara amambo Gambia
no but Tom ya jele nyinta ase diamu no bari kulel keta menu gena wosta nyinti na diplomat passport lel dita I wafita na diplomat passport de imagine a diplomat passport waka wafi dolbe je waka di free like that bro
no boy wada nyimu do man na bro
yeah, nobody nyim fanang is include because I better that nata bankola kaitolem because Senegal you have to be a Senegalese Senegal la kaito soto you understand so why not you be in a Gambian Gambian la kaito soto or foreigner kanawo banko woka look foreigner dolbeje ni wala Gambia la kaito landi itama mu banko dingo ikijole ke fare ika wondale ñini yani soto ñaadile kay tollel ka tare bulu même man tare te fango bulu
diploma passport ko di
diplomat passport
boy wodon na banko beri wodo la banko tinyatal tom do la banko tinyatal
kulka ke woto
ibida banko jumal to no wol banko di diploma itamanko banko di boy diploma passport ko di la
mbaton surwal ko fen bañ na cerné ila moy
am nañ benn source bu wax ne Adama Barrow dafa séddale ay passeport diplomatique yu bari
ay lolu
bari
ay passeport diplomatique yu bari
ay du benn du ñaar du ñett
passeport diplomatique yooyu
waaw
dafa am ñoo xam ni
ila moy jàng
dañ ci laal
yes
te ay sénégalais lañu loolu nag jar na bàyyi xel mu ne une révélation cinglante atteignant Gambia News ñoo ko bind que plus de 20 000 passeports diplomatiques gambiens ont été délivrés aux Gambiens et aux étrangers par le gouvernement Adama Barrow.
20 000.
lu bari ne ñoom fuñ jëm ak lu xew.
te loolu mi ngi tàmbalee 2017 la tàmbalee.
mandara ko kan sénégalais journaliste lel ba sata kan ali la moy
ntulo bala
2017 ba tay ji yalla sak
waaw
ok
source yo waxat nañ ne président du Sénégal woon di président Macky Sall ak njabootam ñoom ñëpp am nañ ci passeport diplomatique
ba don tanga jow fa en kango kono wallahi mo be jaari defolo
dede kay
alu inna lillahi wa inna
Adama Barrow mo ne ko yamuta mu ne mën na leen wax te dëggalal leen ne leen am na ay hauts fonctionnaires sous Macky yoo xam ni jëf ju bon jooja ñoom it bénéficié wu nañ ca
ci passeport
ay hauts fonctionnaires sous Macky passeport diplomatique yooyu ñu doon séddale ni ay dogu nduru ca Gambie léegi nga dégg ñu ne diw mais moom dañ ko sous contrôle judiciaire mais moom nan la def ba tukkee
moo jaaxal nit ñi waaw bu dee am nga beneen passeport diplomatique wuuteeg bu Sénégal man nga tukki da git
journal bi mu ne kaay leen ngeen yërndu comment un ancien de Macky s'est échappé en France et la plupart d'entre eux ont été aidés par la Gambie ma jàmbal lan lay expliqué ne fan la jaar
Gambie ñu bëri Gambie
déglu
ñu bëri Gambie
déglu
ñu bëri Gambie
déglu
ñu bëri Gambie
déglu
ñu bëri Gambie
déglu ñaari jarbaatam Amadou Sané Ndiaga Sané ñoom ñëpp ay passeport diplomatique te affaire bi amul procédure régulière jaru ko les femmes et les enfants de certains ministres ont également été bénéficiaires mu ne ba ñu contacter le directeur de l'immigration et de nombreuses reprises à de nombreuses reprises mais nous n'avons pas pu obtenir une réponse appropriée di ko woo di ko laaj lii lan la Lang Yabou secrétaire permanent aux affaires étrangères serait à l'étranger nee nañu waaye déglul fi a neex mu ne parmi les autres bénéficiaires de cette imperfection massive ca document national boobu passeport diplomatique boobu bokk na ca ay chinois bokk na ca ay russe bokk na ca ay coréen du sud Corée du Sud bokk na ca ay espagnol bokk na ca ay sénégalais bokk na ca ay Guinée Conakry bokk na ca ay Bissau Guinée bokk na ca ay colombien bokk na ca waa Venezuela bokk na ca waa Mauritanie bokk na ca waa Mali bokk na ca waa Côte d'Ivoire bokk na ca waa Congo République démocratique du Congo bokk na ca tam Congo Brazzaville bokk na ca tamit waa Brésil bokk na ca ay Angolais bokk na ca ay Nigéria ay Libérien ay Sierra Leone ak ay Allemand
bi yàgg addu
Sakamanta ko no let's make it short ntolla passeport dunia bele ya soto because akabankol menu foten ay dunia ton ko nan be male
Tomo aka dola to la yabo famara batu man famara
Sistem baru ke muna batu silang
tori ko
barong ke muna batu boy barong ke muna
silang
mo fula le diamu kambe
acha sisa diam
okay
ako famara ako lan yabo secretary nyade
ibatu
lan yabo atamonu ambassador to somewhere
lan yabo
aya to fojela ko nyade
aya fole jele filter man nak sa pile no
so lan yabo Gambia la sa ta yola min
yes ngo do sa pile no bara membe fo jankana dawra la mo la moto nyadi ka musolo de Gambia la diplomat
munan ko to lafta mayini kala man answer follow lamin I just want to know this
al ngata ko drum
guys let's play this back before
namuru koma right
this is not answered Gambia no all of dina mun na problem oti you understand nyata la clear la follow before doing a sound dollar
so nsemuru no right
please lan yabo I think lan yabo if I had that but I meant for I meant
okay, allow me to play this allow me to play it again
yeah okay
right.
Please thank you
okay
Gambie
Michael Town please ngan nsajang understand
am nañ benn source bu wax ne Adama Barrow dafa séddale ay passeport diplomatique yu bari ay passeport diplomatique
passeport diplomatique
yu bari
ay du benn du ñaar du ñett.
passeport diplomatique yooyu.
alive ma ya siya.
dafa am ñoo xam ni dañ ci laal te ay sénégalais lañu. loolu nag jar na bàyyi xel. mu ne une révélation cinglante atteignant Gambia News ñoo ko bind que plus de 20 000 passeports diplomatiques gambiens ont été délivrés aux Gambiens et aux étrangers par le gouvernement Adama Barrow. 20 000.
yow li bëri na de. ñoom fu ñu jëm ak lu xew.
te loolu mi ngi tàmbalee 2017 la tàmbalee.
2017 ba tey ji yàlla sàkk.
waaw.
ok.
source yo waxaat nañ ne président wu Sénégal woon di président Macky Sall ak njabootam ñoom ñëpp am nañ ci passeport diplomatique yooyu.
Macky Sall naa la dimba yàlla.
déedéet kay.
Adama Barrow moo leen ko jox. yamu tax mu ne mën na leen wax te dëggalal leen ne leen am na ay hauts fonctionnaires sous Macky yoo xam ni jëf ju bon jooja ñoom it bénéficié wu nañ ca.
ci passeport
ay hauts fonctionnaires sous Macky passeport diplomatique yooyu ñu doon séddale ni ay dogu mburu ca Gambie ñooñu am nañ ca. léegi la nga dégg ñu ne mais diw mais moom dañ ko sous contrôle judiciaire mais moom nan la def ba tukkee.
moo jaaxal nit ñi.
mba continue altol menu be duma live selendi albe men kela wala ma la sia ni te dunno la bari se live sia no ya tap nse sele samdo under second fana al se live nyum fana support no with F1 because at this moment ngalo ibebe siri la bugol konole most of them are watching this live comme Gambia la manzakunda corruption no membeje idolte sonala so albe men kela wala ma live nyin sia al ya tap nga sele santo ala baraka bake we going back with the audio right yes.
waaw bu di am nga beneen passeport diplomatique wuuteeg bu Sénégal man nga tukki da git
journal bi mu ne kaay leen ngeen yërndu comment un ancien de Macky s'est échappé en France et la plupart d'entre eux ont été aidés par la Gambie ma jambal lan lay expliquer ne fan la jaar.
Gambie ñu bëri Gambie.
déglu mu ne certaines entreprises dites gambiennes hommes et femmes ainsi qu'une bande de partisans du NPP chez eux et à l'étranger ont également bénéficié du programme de démolition. ñaar fukki junni ci ay passeport diplomatique ñu ne ay jigéenu Adama Barrow ñaari jarbaatam Amadou Sané Ndiaga Sané ñoom ñëpp ay passeport diplomatique te affaire bi amul procédure régulière jaru ko. Les femmes et les enfants de certains ministres ont également été bénéficiaires. mu ne ba ñu contacter le directeur de l'immigration et à de nombreuses reprises mais nous n'avons pas pu obtenir une réponse appropriée. di ko woo di ko laaj lii lan la. Lang Yabo, secrétaire permanent au.
Thank you, Secretary Lang Yabo. In a minute, let me finish this.
Affaires étrangères. Série à l'étranger nee nañu. waaye déglul fi a neex mu ne parmi les autres bénéficiaires de cette imperfection massive ce document national boobu passeport diplomatique boobu bokk na ci ay chinois bokk na ci ay russe bokk na ci ay coréen du sud Corée du Sud.
Okay, thank you. Anti Fatou ngam la be janne ñinin ka kan no lang yabo right
La yaba mo nung Spain la ambassador tin nung. Sana na la bangata America dana bata jian amurta Gambia sign. Abadu ko kan Gambia alam bara ko to je. So mano permanent secretary.
ya secretary la fo yes
Yeah, secretary of state yeah.
tanya
Allah akbar Gambia.
do la banko la passport over 20,000
So
passport
atale obedi ko di.
na be kala jeneti iyete le fo janko
Listen.
yalo jineta o signando la ka dimol so obviously it's them you understand
La yaba.
yalo men ki jo fara Venezuela anda anenyim banko kotengol wolien to la diplomat passport soto.
Yeah. They will go and do evil things, then they
come
will
on.
go get away.
That is like this. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Wala I can ñil membe kanyem diplomatic passport because ara baro man tel la kayto muta fent. Ya jala na la man sa kunday man na kayto muta fent bare bantal la bankol sa ni use no le kuru yake. Pa preta ise ibe count la as Gambia. Malam famara ya jala comme USA Gambia Sanson. Bi yola bedum ya jal. Visa.
Visa, yeah.
Sorry, Gambia is one of them. One of the countries. It's a visa de la men. So, anyway. Arabaro is high time nga bondi de malum fansa fenki contribute no dan famaras nanang famaras complete. But an Arabaro ninga bondi 2026 coming year for nyameng ning dabo member jang ning no to coalition. Alinga dang nga banko bondi. Karung Arabaro nimma bondi at a betel.
So saying antifatu nimbe nyinin kala. Eti amira B barose bono nyadile because remember Gambia non in kodo temo andung here we are seeing model beje they rather taking money yataye vote or rather taking bag of rice or sugar whatever it is wala ye promise ko ibe dingwal zambala abroad le whatever it is because we had all this that is thinking political member tamaka you understand. So tell me what method we should use because look, we have a lot of political parties, many along political leaders, many along. All of them, ibe lafta kela mansaltije o bankoka. Tell me munel sekeno.
Men sekeno la Gambia dingali along ko this coalition for change or coalition for whatever they call themselves. Ye nyakasola and ye nyakase Adama Barola. Ye karto fai for UDP and any other party which is ready to join UDP to get rid of Adama Barrow nana ye karto faoli. Niyo menke bare nyi menke tang imang UDP daka kije. Ye memfo iko itele UDP and other parties oli ye invite le. Bare man le tero sa faoli. Bare die all of. Bare ma UDP kalamutan. Because ni UDP kalamutan ni dante mol ba kalamutala. Yeah, understand.
Ima UDP alert.
Ima UDP involved. Ima UDP involved. Nta malo mun ñil kañin ka dalilo men na andu ñile fanku mandi ko itel mu Gambia nolti itel mu Gambia dingalet itel pareta Adama Barrow lo bondila nta ma understand me I can but mo be yalo on the line problem moment dala bu kala fa fola drong because it's disgusting natari Gambia dingal betar la o mi da nyasi fa sotola ite mo fi nta ni ite be nga nyoma nga karol be ma ite man pare pour kante accept ite because of te dam mantela ko ha kan ite man lafi pour o mo killing na ko ha kan ite man lafi pour ka banko bonde ite lafta men na wala mi te continue wrong o mari men bije o continue wrong
so but nimbe nyin kala come like all right antifat come like right at this moment come abeje ten nyamen UDP fodum lateral data party ning other party member solal ka tandila ko alla bunda nyimbe yelne for all parties to come and join and do coalition. Wal ketale banko.
Listen, UDP is always open for everybody for coalition.
Do open
Nijil coalition for change itel multi. And your dol korambombo yol katande yol kumande. Mulekata ma UDP dakije.
Wow.
UDP dakije mol lafta wala understand.
But okay, all right, thank you. Ila je kumaya bata. Don't you think neko maybe reason in my UDP da keje itwala kunna mirofe ninge keje ba usenu be lafla tambela nyato and we don't want that. Nsa fono wanya
Para
baba fono.
ngolo foiten ko mo killing la ko ay kande to ko.
Ha.
It's a data je.
Mhm.
Membe siri ngoy continue. Wala fi siata da nite ma asoto. Dano mari la quota ba kande la lay today. Ita the data terla je. O ita lafto mari nyato kayak. And
Right.
UDP. Listen, Famara.
Yeah.
UDP
Uh-huh.
with the majority. Anila leader.
Mm.
Ila leader funtu yata wo. Ita nyakoto. A kende yata wo. Amen kende ya wo. You know.
Mm.
Ya understand. Ita la leader lam. Ya understand. Ita feko. Ita la leader man leader te me alonko is winnable. Ita la leader lam winnable. O ita ni lo ita lam winnable. Muna keta ita yo mira ko ita la kende yata ita la suti yata winning la. Dan honorable Usenu Numukunda Dab.
Okay, Antefatu, nimbe nyini kala. Be political betama kanyame, and we've been seeing Barrow. Anana menu keno, abeole kekan. Anda. Okay, thank you. Yalong, the way political kata nyame. Gambia no be nyame. Political kono. Wakala file menka diala. Andum B, ngalon ne ko UDP, albika di mol, altol le kalfam finance. You understand? Allah minitanol, ito leke fan sambano. Andum B nata jeko, Barrow with his, so-calls. Neke kumandi wala. You understand? Gambia now la taxpayer soul. Itol kawaleta ka murundi Gambia no kam but dol kake bulu kosi la lelti ka fo nka jël president Barrow e men kenya jang. Forgetting ko ila tax money la ka muru itol kam. Ete waje nyaadi la because Gambia no ni domoro. Give me adina nga domo nga bulo kosi ye nin carte fay wato sita nga ta fay. Nyina nyimbe nyine kala this 2026 election o men binaduna. Mune ma la preparation because remember nka mol do jenane because nata jele ko ye kaito lel deda mol ye menube outside the Gambia.
Right.
You understand? Voters card sol. Because Gambia no be Gambia. Wama proper ID card no soto no.
Ye fula la nyini ka jande o saba. Yo ite men nyini ka mu.
Ye men follow muta. Ite men follow muta. Ise dun no kono.
Yo baro sa ba abo ko ke kan. Baro ko ke kan na julol men ko dol me ay donto. Ko be jar lam fangal kangal la fam mumuringol kangal. Yo annum fanan comme na nama ko do men ka jo. Ko do ko di be Gambia baro ko la sikaka di na din tala. Adi tala. Adi mo mon din na jan. Na ba nyama by right. Amanya nasikala asika cherry pika adi molla. Bar ninga soto. Umanya na ken langa karton fay baroed. Because nga sindi o dalilo lo kanje, nga sindi dalilo kanje. Pra I can tell be base Gambia dingal base na fa men generally, but not like single cherry picking kadi na pru abe karton soto le maribul. Hani?
Right.
Na adin talante de karton fay la. Gambia dingal manya na son na karton fay na yoke. Imanya hani man ka barot. Any politician may kurota ay adila ke lu into it. Hani? Ikana karton fay. It's a promise not in all ko ibe nyinkela ni ganyeta but kafo kombo ko rodi la ite karto fa ite la karto wa at that time atari ite o karto ni ngolo mi tela weapon on pruka ta masa kurungo bondije o ka change positive change so ite man na sonola as banku din kendo you understand and we can happen to la banku mol men tay ke register thing yeah yer ingalo na voters card ho dio la fa paret.
Okay.
ID card or yadi la name voters card because even finted the anti that's a typical example. And we be continue la wala.
Okay.
Yeah, but in New York and the carto fighter UDP Gambia ni carto fighter nyinang 2026 Gambia dingal bela nyante la carto protect la. Bela nyanta lola nga fa aram parot at kala Gambia at kala jansini. But in manya not la particular ngubulokon. And no like the coalition of anang is very important. Praike. With UDP. Without UDP, Gambia no liya mira fo. Nte ni man UDP da kije. Ntel be men fola sign, be men volunteer as a person. All of Mintico Coalition for Change, they are not for Gambians. They are for their own selfish interests. Coalition for Change, those groups who went without UDP, they are there for their own selfish interests. And Adama Barrow is worse. Nyatare ikoite ita karto file UDP because ita man lafi ila nyaton kola la. Oh, Coalition for Change ita ay karto ta yo diola. Ita bela pang kola dundi la masibo kono me alonko another 5 years. Mol me alonko ibe dahari ngol ba dahari nat. But ita me alonko ibe tar la yank karto kon. Ibe enjoy manekala just for 2 weeks, 1 month nasiat okuno be Bible. They also the pluka for vote asole. Alinga voting wisely. Let us vote UDP in 2026 to get rid of this Adama Barrow. And then the people for coalition for change, they are not for Gambians. Gambia is even too small for 19 parties and 20 parties. As a person to me, Gambia will not even have more than 3 parties. The incumbent and 2 opposition parties. That's it.
Parenko, sister, Jamalebe coalition of change kono. Who is there? What is the list? Do you know?
I don't know. Eko nyadi?
Nko Jamalebe kono. Which the combination of which parties? Who are the parties in that coalition?
Have you watched it? Have you watched it yourself?
Ndaba mo labi.
Yeah,
Malmo, Jamalebe Gambia Bango and
how many of them?
The coalition for change. You know, Facebook. Yes. I don't
remember how many of them. Maybe
no. I'm for ndese for no. Mili bije wole muindi. Esa fal bijele. Ika understand ne. Okay. Eko Lamin je dabo bijele. Eko pap bijele. Eko Kewa Madi Bojam bijele. Eko okay. Thank you very much. Nyenyi mol min na di komate. Eko nyille bije. Bari ye dabo exclude jele. Halifa Sallah exclude jele PDOIS ne UDP wala exclude je bari abori wala ni ola political party mil bebe Gambia wol bela representative tara jele because GDC la representative tara jele party mil bebe je damawni yo esa fal fa di am di la platform do jele. So the thing is wo mo fennet mi ya lonko coalition in Gambia without UDP, they are just disturbing themselves. Because
yeah.
Halifa Sallah say be boy, you know. So talk less of UDP. To coalition ite olo ye UDP exclude word la. Ite kamune fo wala munyinti, you know, eka chance the incumbent. So ñin dinde on mili alon ko ñin dinde politician on mili alon ko nata. Ñila man nak Gambia mako de. Ñila mu tiñaral.
Ndela campagne be kala menti sign da bajula melody
am. Mu tiñaral.
Da bajula na campagne be kala menti sign. Olo mi ko Gambians ndela ñantam ko ngol yele la nga ñaayele funding kewol. Na banko ñi mel nata tan ñi mel yalo ko ye fanko ma di coalition for change. They are not for Gambians. They are there for their own selfish interests.
So let us
let us vote for UDP and make the change for us. Positive change. We need a change. We don't want people to come and enrich themselves over our heads.
They are not for the Gambia. You know, for Gambian only. You understand? But Mari.
I don't talk with people you know who doesn't want to be reasonable. Because Gambia
Mari, the problem is Mari sometimes the problem with Mari
sorry, Ajibe, yalo Mari fango ngani ninkale bot Mari ma fonya be pati omento.
Mari be pati tole, Mari
don't understand.
Mari be nukunke male. Hey, Gambian ka fo ko manta partido ande te ko ka politico support. You know, abe partido la ke nuku male.
Okay, Mari. No, Lamin kana ito. Mbala 1 minute. Mari.
Like I don't tell me I don't talk with people.
No, 1 minute. Mari.
Nya ito nya jata me mala to nya fala Gambia membe ke rinje.
Alimbala.
It's so sad.
Mari.
Very unfortunate.
Mari nimbe nyi ninkala. Ibe party otole bang fodo imantara party.
Ate sonna fola because Mari be party tole. Sai na manta partido mune anante nyim mune ka diminji.
Mbere fe mante dimi woton ko
No,
ngale
and
ndeke ngale konko.
Mari.
Sorry a minute.
Ani de barin famara are batu de ni musi ni ngon ka manta da patito ali je bulaya fam ali je bulaya
Malmo,
Sorry.
Malmo,
Sorry. Nko reason so no a minute.
Malmo, jang, supporter lel bejang. Menu ye more support ko e jikitale ninkari tambita wala se banko sambano ni mariko he is a Gambian motate bulu atebe men support la
concern Gambian yes
Bara nga fo yele te adenta ka pati men support
tanga fo mon lebe janzai
iyo sidan boro yara bi mo problem te first of all Gambia force
no but
and then you know what now
ndefango men kana kalo Gambia ilamo let me make it clear ndefango men kana kalo because of Gambia ngani yokono ni afara be pati yotarajel.
Thank you very much.
Exactly. Likewise, ntafana.
Okay, but ite meta fo.
Ntanga bimfongo Gambia follow. Na bota wola. Na bota ning Gambia bota, ning wo bota, na bota Gambia follow la.
Ami faru tai ila Gambia force yeta delete.
Almarizo, mari iko esafa.
No.
Nga esafa lefo.
Aha.
Thank you. Yalom. Akali ko idronga continue because now ko
Barinko famara mbatu
no
yalo ni moko they are a concern Gambia mbatu de atone dabo jula mbatu unso 1 minute la ni moko
lady chilen ko ata lady chilen ko ata
famara mbeji kan yama ala baraka baket
baraka
Gambia bondinye maral jawo kono
inshallah
ani bol me alon ko mem Gambia ngani pour Gambia bo maral jawo bulo
no banko be bolale ledi nyol bebe duma la beta ala le no
atodu ami fadu jandi be jila ni jida ila Gambia force ta ya fen ko delete because
Gambia force it's not a fake one.
Okay, I'm gonna I'm killing please. One after the other. Kachani said Jamal Menu left a participate. Okay.
But yes.
Malmo, yalong. Okay. Banko benyame. Afuta nyawo nyang. Foise mo soto. Yangan yameye. You understand? Because be nite nata. Okay, be in a supporter. Eteka jene support. Yalong afuta nyawonya abenga ni ekonole. You understand? But be nite nata iko ebe nyula agenda baila. Society be agenda jene na fela nan mbekati ala no men.
Okay, mbatu famara atikeno 5 years ago it me support no. Imantara where I am anymore. 5 years ago last election. Atikeno ye carte o fay no miye. Atikeno me pare ka carte o fay kote again for that same person. So now what you are doing is just wait. So what if we mean concern Gambian? It could be that you are actually listening to the programs for you to hear a convincing argument.
Right.
Yam family. So monyante jinola wonyamale because what kind of opposition is actually going to strengthen anyone else who is trying to convince another person to join them? Yam family. You need to have an argument that brings people to you. You should be able to hear when someone says, no, or I'm a concerned Gambian, or I'm independent, I'm sitting on the fence. Because I want to hear someone to tell me. Because it should not be that easy for you to win someone over. It should not be. You should bring facts. You should bring a convincing argument, yeah? Yeah. Don't I'm well. I can Halifa Salah. Halifa Salah to phone.
And Nata Murta Esafal. So which is with?
Yeah. So I see still a concerned Gambian. She's sitting on the fence. I think it's okay.
Yes.
It shouldn't be a problem.
I'm still after all more confused because
No,
when I didn't
No, Minubela agenda selkan. They should be convincing enough, but they should be you should be ready for this kind of people.
No, yes.
People who are
Bawa
sitting
na
on the
kada
fence.
nyulin kanka ko how. Ako nyulimin kanana ninga nyulimuti nyara la tinko ako so how. Sidan dabo yente ay wifi ro kenya lafta wifi ro mina ko malwa ya fanyan. So la ya fanya ko nyadi. Nga nyulin ka wala nyadi.
No, but ila kumokono, ye kumale fo, yang se kodol menudi. You understand? Tumado ya mira kodima lem paketo, buff. But
no ngalo ne.
Ha, ya bondi nyokono, but which all, inata jeko, maybe, real money le dunta nyuno la poso kono.
At the end of the day, it's all about money, farms. Is it a check? Or is it doesn't, if at all it goes to the bank account, or it comes through check, it's kodo le kakonta. I'm ko kaito. For one day. Kodo long. So at the end of the day, kodo dunta modo la jubo konol. Well, 5 million do ko ke mejo.
No, of course. Mosi do ko ke mejo.
So kodo long.
Okay. So sorry, nonetheless, Celeno Santos still having Malmo and
exactly. So, albe passport of Fokane, diplomatic passport. Okay. Ha. So what diplomatic passport or Famara? Gambia no nyanta silala le baki fam.
Okay.
Baki. Because Nico diplomatic passport is supposed to separate you from the ordinary individual. Diplomatic passport manyana dila non-Gambian under normal circumstance.
Yeah.
Ka moy ko Senegal minister dingol ka Gambia diplomatic passport o sonto. Wonyon kitune ya. Because it is la moy la Gambia no me Senegal diplomatic passport. So on the which basis? Because Alka Majambal Jan min tomoy. I'm sure Alka tomoy Majambal Jan. Majambal Jan ay tilimbalia lelke Senegal. I kodo le tilimbalia. Corruption. He's involved in big ones. Billions of Senegalese CFA, maybe 30 or 40 or more. And nga to fota le fana like in the liquidation of political opponents in Senegal. So when Majambal Jan escaped from, because Anyanta Tala court here in Lela, he tried to flee through Senegalese airport, Ekaya Muru Yetasi, you wait for a court hearing. Anata Gambian diplomatic passport or leta, Duntan in Gambia la fintita, another France. And Woma Jambal Jan, Nia Jibe, the way he is playing his politics is actually very dirty. It's a detrimental type of politics. Because the agenda he is pushing is he is perpetrating, he is peddling the news or information of rebellion in Casamance. And rebellion that is being used against one politician, the main politician, Usman Sonko. Because Usman Sonko comes from Casamance. So Majambal Jang is using Casamance rebellion, like Ika Minfo in Casamance. He is trying to make some of that and putting that on Usman Sonko as if Usman Sonko is involved in some kind of rebellion. So what I think that this is so dangerous. How can you give a passport to an individual like that? Someone who is instigating for the destruction of a political, like a potential presidential candidate or a potential president in Senegal in the very near future. So one little bit tabika, one little bit caring. Senegal la mol mi alon ko corrupta under Macky Sall la presidency. E jama escape route le soto through Gambia with the enabling means of having a Gambian diplomatic passport. So Andunia Gibi, if you look at the list, if you listen to what Ahmed Aidara was just saying, in your audio me play, the one who was talking is called Ahmed Aidara. At a TV station, he has a TV station called Deza, 2A TV station. So in that, Abe Bankero can go 20,000 diplomatic passport le data. Can you imagine that? A diplomatic corps as big as 20,000. A Gambian diplomatic corps. Can you imagine that?
No.
So mimbe caring wolem Gambia la kulia outside. Gambia la diplomatic passport is just like nothing anymore. It's just like, you know, I mean, it's just like who can bring out the highest amount of money gets it. Gambia B ala ay hormo min soto ay bunya min soto internationally. This is being depreciated. It's just going down. Like inflation, comme Gambia la currency la value ka ji nyame. Gambia la diplomatic value fana ka depreciate wala nyama. Just because some people have decided that they're going to make money at the expense of the Gambia.
Right.
No. Ni ko ne ajibe famara Gambia no. I will not even say Gambia no. A few of us, more than down kono. Ndeka for they are aliens. You aliens of the team. Because idaji ko sunkantale to the point that idaji ko sunkantale to the point that they don't care.
Malmo nimbe nyinga jumala ka diplomatic passport odi nyilla.
Brother, I don't know. Malo ntamantara Gambia. Yam fahamle. And not involvement in, you know,
man lola bo yow bo waxe da ngay may kenen nak sank ba legi ya ngi
ay señu yo no deglu yo nga ñew aksi rek nga bëgg amel ni
you guys you need to yela mind thing you understand ndemo ñinen kaka you know so ni seltana science you know ko fonde it la mala bam fo man tan ñinen karol
no metaphor no
very very simple question ngoy ko fo juma wolle ka wodi te kon tay ko malo you know atebente fengila because ndabe ñinen karol I don't know
no masakunda membe sirin jelen because yalo yemento fango fo ko nyaadi len lamin lang yabo is the director of immigration yafo nyame.
Thank you. Yes.
Yes. So sëñ bi li ñay wax yow do mëna ñëw rek nga jaxase nit ñi seen waxtaan da ngay am respect comprendre nga understand ñun ñi ni ñëpp ben place bi lañ joggé suñu waxé li nga xamné yow mën nga ko téggé nga ñëw téggé ko waye da nga ko wara def ak respect understand nga fi ñi fi nekku ne ñuy force mbalit bi rek ñoy ñëw di wax ni du lolu de li ñuy wax dafa am solo dafa am importance pour ñun ñi di wax understand nga man doome Gambia la comme ñeneen yeen ñi ñëpp ni ngeen fi nekké té nekkuma fi di ci xass nit lima nekk di wax yow mi xam nga ko gis nga ko understand nga so li ñu wax
nga ci wax bi lu xamantene bokku ci wax bi
wa aral rek bet sa ton jot suma waji ya ilele Abdou
eba jende la ñim mo ki len dina ja
yalonte normally niñ juta man suma gis nga suma ñëwé ci waxtaan yi ni man dama day waxtaan ak respect wa gis nga yow ñi melni yow yeenay tax Gambia mu ngi torox
nakewa ete interested dia molbe la moy kan ete interested ak ete kan
bare mbatu nga jabi kangola be min fokan yam fahamle because modol bi jere to yamira ko to la doku pour que masakunda ñim protect masakunda dum be Gambia no dundi kan Bebe Gambia dundi kan daming, there is almost, we are going to a point of no return. Why is it that ite mimbe na fala ite kaw jendro ne jibe? Gambia no la diplomatic passport be wafikang. Senegal le be tamaka with the Gambian diplomatic passport. Why is that happening? Munat ne obe kering. Why is that happening? Yem famle. Senegalese the corrupt governmental officials, well, they are involved in corruption. They bought a Gambian diplomatic passport own. If they want to escape from Senegal, why is that happening? Who is responsible for that?
Malmo, I think this diplomatic passport, I think Yama Ajisar found my answer.
Asikeno, because woman on you exactly woman on atele Ajisar Fongo escape. This is the guy. Majambal Jang is the guy who said Ako atele Ajisar escape from Senegal. Purka dundi, you know, like in Europe.
Thank you so much. I remember that.
You family. So when you focus, you will be alone. Iman respect.
I think waranto Ajisar fanam being passport or
Go. That's what I'm saying. It's possibly true. This is the same individual. Atele basi so konkon kanka fo kon tele nga Ajisar bondija. Ndele nga tena Canada Senegal. This is the same individual. So how can such a nasty person momembe nori mo nyama, momi alonko. Ate, like what he is actually involved in, he's actually trying to invent conspiracies, especially against the Casamas region. How can Gambia be Cairo Soto no la nyare and Casamas man Cairo Soto? How? How are you trying to mix Gambia with potential future presidential, future president? Because Usman Sonko is likely to be the next president in Senegal. So if this guy feels that Gambia was among the countries that were undermining his potential to become a president, do we have what how? Pastef is going to be in Senegal for the next 25 years at least. So why would you make an enemy of a political force that is being built in Senegal right now? These are the things that people need to look into. Why are we so interested in small, like short-term gains? Meanwhile, we are destroying our future, our relationship with people. Why? I'm speaking from this, perspective. I'm not just like interested in, I want to character assassinate Adama Barrow. Why am I interested in that? If Adama Barrow is not doing his job, I have a right as a citizen of the Gambia to say, this is not right. This can be done in this other way or in that other way. I have every right to do that. Why does someone think that, you should have monopoly of, how the situation is in Gambia? So Ntolbela interest mo killing walti, even if we disagree. But the interest is a Gambia which is prosperous for the majority of the Gambians, not just a few of us, like a clan or a group or an organization. That's not the interest of the majority of the Gambians, because for $30 billion is how much loan Gambians have to pay. $30 billion. $30 billion, can you imagine? If we divided $30 billion into 2-3 million Gambians, how many would that be? Almost every Gambian would have, enough to survive for the next few years, at least.
Each and every Gambian will pay more than 50,000 plus.
Okay, so if they have divided $30 billion to every Gambian, 30 billion, can you imagine that? 30 billion. Ni watala no Gambian tema. For some of this barakona, at least you'll feel that okay, ngado soto jila, so ngalo no koniko ngajo, then I have to pay. But you don't feel like how am I supposed to pay 30 in that 30 billion? How am I supposed to pay when I am not in Gambia during the time of the Adama Barrow reign, for example? The whole of his reign, I haven't lived in Gambia. So why should I pay that? But I am penalized to pay that because bid and income cement or San Gambia is almost $1,000 per cement boat sang. I am being penalized for paying for the ineptitude of a selected few Gambians. So this is why we have a lot at stake, so much at stake. We cannot afford to allow this system to continue. Atikenola, because wolem ntola joyati, ntolbe joyale kono already. Because sign thing, sojaro lebe Gambia mi alon ko mo Gambia no fango malong il na fango mileti Gambia. Ekwas be Gambia le bi. Wolbe je Gambia jamale, ebe Gambia no na faka nyadile. Wobi kere mutul mo keleno. Equal soldier ka ala job a month is I think $1,000. Gambian soldier ka jelesoto. Gambia is contributing towards that $1,000. Meanwhile, the Gambian soldier is not getting up to $20,000 per month. Think about that. Why do we pay for, someone who is getting $1,000? Meanwhile, atela doko mambo, like Fonyi Serakunda. It didn't come out of between Fonyi and Serakunda. They are not in Jarasoma. They are not in Kiang, they are not in Bansang, they are not in Basse, they are not in Badibu. They are only in Fonyi and Banjul. That's it. And we have to pay heftily for their salary. Meanwhile, the Gambian soldier, Mialonko, he knows the job better than these people. They are not getting that. Why are we not talking about that? Why are we allowing this situation to continue? For new situation is what Gambians want. Masakuna Falentale just for that to happen, for that to continue, for people to continue using Casamas as like a political ping pong ball against some other people and with the help of Gambia. Why is that being allowed to continue? So let me just let Malafika airwaves all monopolize Famara.
Right now, that's called Malmo in Imbara back here. Baringa Lamin Soto Jamne Lamin Koli, Badingola Michael Town, Albening article to men Jekang Senegal, Musolem me Gambiela voters card Soto and in Senegal voters card Bari Kaye Nagail Katakoke Yelde Ikodu Inata Mutaminele Jara Ikoya Muta Damento Jara, let's say Jara la bantala them border frontier Roma valem. Let me put it like that. But Jara alkalo nyine ya diala. Iko Jara membe alkali yala Jara. Wale nying ID kato di nyina. So altoli alone. Ning sifa al banko kono corruption olem andung. We all seeing it. Janne nata mo iko mansa kundaye over 20,000 diplomat passport letter ka janjan dunia dula be kono. So which mean neko Gambiano memo Gambiano ti don't proud to show in yourself I'm a Gambian. Foreigner finance is only panoya tandila ko mu Gambiano and it also because ye kaito landa ba landila. So ngata santo miss with Mr. Koli Nimbara.
Na bro Nimbara be kontuna.
Walaikum assalam.
Yes, mere jannembe la merola. Barkus mas ngol foto jang. Aning Gambian la ñomoy balé évidemment mbina jeleto. Aning ntolu fon membe tamo kan na banko kan fo en sul la bam faman sul la bam. Mbina jeleto men keta Adama Barrow la Masakunda la tamandir bulol te ani la mora nyamem bekeri banko ka nkoto nya follow ID card la mi yalon ko ID card mem mota Senegal ani ka card voters card mem fo because ni njube ni la moyen ba kan Gambianul katariya ni nalale bar ñi manke signa follow ti ñi manke signa follow ñamoti mi yalon ko député bonto menkere Sénégal te during Macky Sall time Ousmane Sonko la mul lota jele même député ti ayinanti Macky Sall na la banku mul la ko albe menke kan mamanke silati because na banko kan Sénégal dingol be jenne milliard lon ko ni carte fe o site kara carte fe Gambia andum Gambia ID card le bebul Gambia kayto le bebul mbebo kala mutotol Adama Barrow time menya katawti ala Adama Barrow bota kala mutoto le ko system o bejele but munat na ma system o ni chele because system o ni yate febole because it will man sakanda ka system o le pour sinin sambe corruption o le damento ani be bankola nafulo menke da bankola resources ti mo kotongol ba dile la pour sinin sam wolti empower place barimbe mem fole menkera kairoti because manin kol kayina fo ko tebe duwa kala menkera ka kutilin balo ka molla man satalla be jero kala no man satalla munatul timmandi lati menkera Gambia la alhamdulillah ti Macky Sall abota sirin sironka ñene mu Gambia dingol bela suloti ani ñene Gambia oppositionol bela ñanda kile bela suloti pour ka jeko luntangolo ni
a lifetime continue koto ngata
luntangolo ani melikana nang ani Senegalu nin carte few kana si menketa campagne wato to ke cross lalti luntan jumalal kadum banko kan campagne wato because niya jubi atu kartang pour muleta carte few la so nyi nyanda kala mo bela do koti yeke juber lalti wol mafon la ani yeke moluti menketa president Adama Barrow na la molti be tamandir nya menke kam because nyi molu man koning ya munta ko Gambian wol man koning because ila konim bal ya menaje la fole menketa ko ete passport kairo di la menketa voters card aning ID card menketa diaspora ti boy la kunim bal ya ni bi kara mutani e ka diaspora di la fu mutani te diaspora kata ji ka kairo di la fu mutani man ra diaspora Senegal mantra diaspora so nyimmu kunum baliyalati me ya lonko na man sakunda amira banko dingol mambo e kalamu toto be strategy mem plek kan Gambia dingol kan pour sinin sama ke dundi moral jaw ko non bota be kalamu toto ni nata passeport la site la passeport la site la nyimman ke follow di men keda Gambia la diplomat passport mi ya lonko wate banna luntangolu bulu ate banna molu bulu Melialon ko mul mil folialon they not have any record ni nata business la fanala ni nata la be world travelness la fanala kata dunia taman